This is the approved project site. Construction will begin after the final engineering survey. The project is officially approved. Construction may begin after final site marking. Our team is ready. We will begin exactly according to the approved engineering plan. All building grid lines are verified. The site is ready for excavation. Excellent. Tomorrow we begin earthwork exactly on these marked boundaries. Begin site clearing within the approved boundary only. Protect the surrounding earthwork teams. Follow the survey lines exactly. No excavation outside the marked area. Foundation excavation has reached the required depth. Verify every grid before reinforcement begins. All excavation levels match the approved engineering drawings. Reinforcement placement is approved. Every footing matches the structural design. Complete the final footing inspection. Concrete pouring starts next. Concrete quality is excellent. Begin constructing the foundation beams. Follow the structural drawings exactly. Every beam must connect according to the approved layout. Column alignment is perfect. Prepare for the first foundation column concrete pour. Copy that, sir. All clear for concrete. Ground danzier columns are on schedule. Excellent progress. Complete this column grid and prepare for the ground dalgiots beams. Beam level is good. Proceed with slab preparation. All teams stay on schedule. Tomorrow we pour the first structural floor. The first elevated floor is complete. Begin assembling the first dalgiots columns according to the structural grid. Excellent progress. Maintain the same construction sequence and quality on every level. First dalgiot beams are approved. Prepare the second dalgiot slab for concrete pouring. Maintain quality and safety. Every floor must follow the same engineering standard. All clear, let's move to the next one. Tower 30 meters on the hook. Copy that, 30 meters. Levels 2 and 3 are complete. Continue lifting the structure to level 4. Maintain the same construction quality and schedule on every floor. Level 8 is on schedule. Continue maintaining structural accuracies on every floor. Keep the crane operations synchronized and follow the approved construction sequence. Level 12 is structurally complete. Continue upward without compromising quality. Every floor meets the approved engineering standards. Proceed to the next levels. Level 16 is progressing exactly as planned. Prepare the upper structure for the final construction phase. Maintain precision on every floor. We're approaching the top of the tower. The structural frame is officially complete. The tower has reached its full height. Excellent work, everyone. Tomorrow we begin the exterior façade and enclosure systems. Copy that. Exterior framing is aligned. Begin installing wall panels from the lower levels upward. Maintain precise alignment. The façade must follow the approved architectural design exactly. The glass alignment is perfect. Continue installation floor by floor according to the approved façade plan. Excellent progress. The building is now taking its final architectural appearance. Exterior work is complete. The building envelope is fully sealed and approved. Excellent. We can now begin the full interior engineering and finishing phase. Electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and fire protection systems must be installed exactly according to the approved engineering drawings. Working on it now. Coordinate every engineering team carefully. Quality comes before speed. Interior finishing meets the approved premium quality standard. Begin the final detailing and cleaning. Excellent work. Prepare the building for external site development and final inspection. Thank you, everyone. The building is ready for official handover. Today we proudly this landmark project. Congratulations to every member of the team. From the first survey to the final handover, every step was completed with precision. Thank you, everyone.